how to process a payment using the PAX A920 Pro. If you'd like a complimentary consultation on how to save money on your payment processing, comment save in the comments down below. Start by powering on the device. Press and hold the power button until the device turns on. Once the screen loads, make sure that the device is connected to the internet via Wi-Fi or cellular network. Locate and tap on the payment application. This will usually be labeled with the payment provider's logo or name. On the main screen of the app, enter the total amount of the transaction. Confirm the amount and click the tick to proceed. The device will prompt for the customer's preferred payment method. There are 3 payment methods on this device. The customer can choose to swipe, use the chip reader, or contactless payment. The device will communicate with the payment network to process the transaction. If a PIN or signature is required, hand the device to the customer to enter the PIN or sign on the screen. Complete the transaction. Once approved, the device will display a confirmation message. Offer the customer a printed receipt. Congratulations, you've processed a payment. For a complimentary consultation with SoldiPays to see if we can save you money on your payment processing, comment save in the comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date with the latest payment processing solutions. SoldiPays, the bright side of payments.